This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Working inside the vehicle, unscrew the two quick-release catches and remove the lower fascia panel on the passenger's side. Open the glove box lid and undo the 4 torque screws securing the glove box to the fascia. Pull the glove box from the fascia and disconnect the wiring plug. Extract the plastic rivet where fitted and remove the footwell air duct on the passenger's side. Release the clips or undo the screws as applicable and open the filter cover. Pull the filter element from the housing. The arrows on the edge of the filter element indicate airflow and must point to the rear of the vehicle. Maneuver the filter element into the housing. Close the filter cover and secure it with the screws or clips. Refit the air duct and secure it with the rivet where applicable. Reconnect the wiring plug and maneuver the glove box into position in the fascia. Tighten the glove box retaining screws securely. Refit the fascia lower panel and secure it with the fasteners.